Hello, Internet people. I'm JDog of Crypto Now, and I just released the broadcast enhancement service for Doge Party assets. And so I wanted to briefly describe what that service is for you guys and do a quick walkthrough of it. So what the broadcast enhancement service is it's a simple way for users to associate extended information with their broadcast and get a website up for the broadcast as well. So now let me do a screen share and show you how to do the service. Let's see here. Okay, so the first thing is let me show you the broadcast who is service, which is basically just a list of all the Doge Party broadcasts and all the information for each of those broadcasts. So for instance, let's look at this this bacon broadcast. You can click view. It shows you the information about the broadcast, just a text message, a transaction hash, so you can view the information on the blockchain. And then this box here says the broadcast owner has not provided any additional broadcast information. Now let's look at an enhanced broadcast. So let's click this one. So as you can see in an enhanced broadcast, you still at the top section here have the basic information, which is just a text message and the information on the blockchain. But you'll notice the text message is different. It's actually a URL to a JSON file. And that JSON file links to the additional broadcast information as well as a broadcast website. So down here you can see the additional broadcast information, including a title, the website, a description of the broadcast, contact information, website, social media URLs, as well as a section where you can define your own custom name value pairs. So you can get out any, put out any kind of information on an asset, or excuse me, on a broadcast that you would like. So now let's look at a broadcast website. So this is an enhanced broadcast website. You'll notice the top bar here has the title of the broadcast, as well as a button to show the reputation, which will be coming soon, and some feedback. If somebody spams and sends out a nasty broadcast, we want to know about that. So we provide links for people to provide positive and negative feedbacks on broadcasts. So the website here just is real basic. It just shows you that it's Bootstrap 3 compliant, that you can just drop any Bootstrap 3 code in and it works. And this is just a real quick, simple website to show you. So let me close that out and now show you how to actually use the service. So you go to dogepartyassets.com and you go to the broadcast enhancement service. And it says right here, how do you get started? Add to cart and pay for your order. And then after that, you return to the site and then give us some information. And then when you're ready to broadcast it, you just broadcast a custom URL. So let's do that. So I'm going to click add to cart and I'm going to log in. And you can see the price is $5. And so I'm going to pay for it in Dogecoin. And check out now. And it tells me the address that I need to send the money to. So I will go to an address that has that much Doge and send some funds. So send to that address this much Doge. And done. And so in a few seconds here, you'll see that the invoice is paid. Come on. Takes a second for it to write to the blockchain. There you go. And so it's written to the blockchain, and we tell you processing your order. And the next step is you're going to get an email like this, which says your broadcast is ready, and it tells you the ID for your broadcast. Oh, there you can see the email just arrived. And so it also tells you can see a list of your broadcasts just by clicking this link. Or you can go directly to your broadcast website. So let's click the link. So we click the link, and as you can see, we just purchased this broadcast here. And it says the status is pending, and we can edit the data and edit the website. So let's go ahead and edit some data. So here's where you can edit your broadcast information. As you can see, we fill it out with just some basic, a basic title, broadcast, and then your broadcast ID. But you can change that. So let's name it to Joe's or J-Dog's sample broadcast. You want to leave this URL here the same because this URL is the one that we've generated that points to your broadcast website, your enhanced broadcast website. So you can choose a category, you can choose a subcategory. You can enter in as much information or as little information as you want about your asset, or excuse me, about your broadcast. And then you can click Update Enhanced Information. It tells you it's updated. We can also update and upload an icon. So let's do that. Let's go pictures, and let's upload. I don't know, Jeremy Chopstick. So as you can see, there's a picture of me with chopsticks in my mouth. Just was uploaded to the server, and now that if we go back over when the broadcast is sent, this icon will show up in the Whois database. So now that we've created, you can also add some custom information. So if you want to, add some custom information to your broadcast, like a ticket price. Say you're putting on an event and you want to put the ticket price in there. Say that the ticket is $10. You can just do that. You can just click it. Ticket price, enter ticket price for the name or the key and the price, and click add, and now it's added to your custom broadcast. So now let's look at the website. So my broadcasts. So we've edited data, and you can see the status is still pending. Now let's edit the website for this broadcast. So we come in here. And you can see it's still filled in with this default title. So let's rename it to J-Dog's sample broadcast. And oops, not broadcast, broadcast. And page description. It's here, keywords here, and then so just filling out an example here. But this is an editor where you can quickly edit some website, throw some website content together. You can highlight content, make it bold. You can use tables, you can use lists. You also can, if you want, you can do full screen. You can edit the code directly if you want. So there's all sorts of options with this editor. And then when you're done editing, you click Update. And now your broadcast website has been successfully updated. So let's also upload an image. So you can upload an image or a few images to your website. So let's upload that chopstick image again. And now you can see it uploaded the image again, but it's a bigger version of it. And if we open this, open new tab, you can see that the image is actually hosted on the URL of the custom broadcast website. So now let's put this image in the website itself. So you can copy this URL, and you just go up here and go insert image. You just paste the URL, and now the image is included in the website. And you can click Update, and if you wanted to view the website, you could do that. You can go right there, and you can see that the image is included in the website. So now let's go back and show you how to actually broadcast it. So you see in the My Broadcast list here, the status is pending. And when we click the pending, it tells us your enhancement service is not fully enabled as you have not sent your broadcast yet. To send it, you please log into the Doge Party wallet and broadcast a message with the following text. So let's do that. We just copy this text, and then we go to the wallet, and we say, I'm a broadcaster from a different address here. Let's do it from this address. We say feed broadcast, and we just paste in that text as the text that we want to broadcast. And then we can put in a value, whatever value we want to put in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you broadcast it. And it'll take a few minutes for it to show up on the blockchain. But when it does, you'll get an email like this saying your broadcast is complete. Your enhanced broadcast information is visible at a URL. And so when you click that URL, you can see that it's information for your broadcast. Now, this is not the broadcast we just edited. This is just one I did earlier in the day. But you can see that the URL goes directly to the enhanced broadcast information. And you can also see that there's a link to go directly to the broadcast website. And if you click that link, the website is up. And just like I showed you before, you can click the link to go back and forth between the website and the enhancement data. So that is the asset enhancement service, or excuse me, the broadcast enhancement service. And feel free to check it out and give us some feedback if you have any questions or problems. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.